Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is a popular home remedy for whitening teeth. Many studies have found that toothpaste containing baking soda is better for whitening teeth and removing plaque than toothpaste without baking soda. This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that let it break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. May whiten your laundry. Baking soda is an inexpensive way to whiten and clean your laundry. Baking soda is an alkali-soluble salt that can help remove dirt and stains. When dissolved in water, an alkali such as baking soda can interact with acids from stains and help remove them. Add half a cup of baking soda to your regular amount of laundry detergent. It also helps soften the water, which means you may need less detergent than usual. Deodorant. Surprisingly, human sweat is odorless. Sweat only gains an odor after it is broken down by bacteria in your armpits. These bacteria convert your sweat into acidic waste products that give sweat its odor. Baking soda can eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odors less acidic. Try patting baking soda onto your armpits and you may notice the difference. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to a good oral hygiene routine. It reaches corners of your mouth and crevices of your teeth, gums and tongue that may be missed during brushing. Many use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. It can help freshen your breath and provides antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. The recipe for baking soda mouthwash is simple. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water, and then swish as usual.